this again was...
What a plus he has been. Holt! That's a three!
What?
Oh, wow.
Parang sinasabi niya, what you guys doing? Give me the ball.
Si screen sana si Ian, pero tumira na lang si Baroka.
Oh, yeah!
Grabe yung mga big shot na mga big-time players. At may vision problem pang araw ito. Sangga lang, hirap na hirap kay Isaac. It's a second to go. Paul will launch.
Oh, yeah!
Ayun na nga. Hindi pa pumuputok ba? Ayan na.
Hindi 3 points yun, 4 points yun.
Dapat.
Sa All-Star.
All-Star yun. Talagang 4-point play yun. And that's something that Paul Lee can do on a regular basis. He gets the steal this time. Will he go all the way in? Yes, he does. A quick 5 para kay Paul Lee, and the lead is back up to 11 just like that.
Ang hirap dito sa